Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. A young bride or a newlywed who goes by the name of Valentino has gone on TikTok to share her biggest devastating heartbreak on a day that was supposed to be her greatest, you guys. Instead of being happy on her wedding day, she found herself sobbing miserably as the weather decided to interrupt rather and cause the biggest havoc that's ever been witnessed on someone's big day. When she was supposed to have tied the knot, she found herself sobbing even though she did get married, guys, but it wasn't anything like what she had planned for her biggest day after months of planning. So she shared what the heavy rains did on her wedding day, and people were convinced that people from the dark side had a lot, Baloi, they had a lot to do about her biggest day being ruined. These are some of the videos and pictures that she shared on that horrific wedding day. She calls it an horrific ordeal, you guys. So up next, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert it. Please do make sure that you subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on the next video.
Look.